we've just finished up fitting a reverse camera and mirror monitor to the Honda Civic just here. So we take you to the inside of the vehicle. So with the vehicle off, it will shut the system down. And if I switch the system on now, it will bring you your welcome. There we go. So this is a front and back recording DVR camera. It's 2K resolution on the front and 1080p on the rear. It gives you reversing features. So if I place the vehicle into reverse now, so if I go to reverse, brings you up your reverse just here. You can adjust the camera through here, obviously on reverse. Now if we go back to your normal DVR, if we swipe across the screen, it changes from your front and it also changes to your rear. As I said before, adjusting, so on the right side of the screen we can adjust brightness, on the left hand of the screen we can adjust the camera up and down to giving you the best view. And if we swipe again, split screen, same applies for the front, obviously front up and down, same as brightness up and down here. Gives you Wi-Fi capability on here. It gives you recording on a memory card, so if at any point you can download the app for this, connect it via the app, and also download via the PC or laptop as well. Now the camera itself is just on the left. You have the ability to adjust the camera on the left hand side here, and if you wanted to, you can put this into a sleep mode, which allows you to press the bottom and it goes to a normal mirror, or you can press the bottom again and set the settings, so after maybe 10 to 15, even possibly 2 minutes, it can shut the system down into a screensaver mode, allowing for the anti-glare.